Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi TT RS toy car. First, locate the charging port, which is often found on the rear bumper or under the seat. Next, ensure you have the correct charger for your toy's battery. Then, connect the charger securely to the port, making sure it fits snugly. Finally, monitor the charging indicator light to know when it's fully charged. Finding the charging port is your first step. On many Audi TT RS toy cars, it's located on the rear bumper, but it could also be discreetly placed under the seat or even beneath the hood. Look for a small, distinct opening, which might be round or rectangular. If you're having trouble, your toy car's instruction manual will provide the exact location. Once you've found the port, it's time to connect the charger. Always double-check that your charger's voltage matches your toy car's battery specifications to prevent any issues. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet, then carefully insert the charging plug firmly into the toy car's port. Remember, avoid forcing the connection, as this could damage both the charger and the car. Monitoring the charging process is straightforward. Typically, a red indicator light means your toy car is actively charging. When the light turns green, it signals that the battery is fully charged and ready to go. Charging usually takes about 8 to 10 hours for a complete cycle. Once fully charged, remember to disconnect the charger to maintain battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.